What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another beautiful day. Today I'm going to work on the Fusion. I'm going to do a little bit of body work. It's got a little, I think it's got 3 dings on the hood and 1 little ding on the fender. So I'm going to do the body work real quick on that. It shouldn't take me too long. And then prep it for paint. I should paint it within a couple of days. Like I said, I already got the paint. So yeah, let's get the body work done. As you can see, I marked them with a black marker. One there, or 2 there, 1 there, 1 on the fender, and 1 right here. You can't really see it. I don't even think the camera can get it. It's so minor, I might not even fix it. But that one, you can see it right there. This one, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't catch it, but it's a little one right there. Little one right there. And one right there. So I'm gonna sand it down, fill it, and sand it down again, primer it, and then prep the rest of the car for paint. Now that I sanded it down, now you can see where the dings are. The 1 there and the 2 right there. So now what I'm gonna do is sand it rougher in the where it's cratered in here, down the metal, and then put some filler, sand it, prime it, be done. And then there's the 1 on the fender. Oh yeah, a little hot today. I didn't even make it that hot, and whew, got hard quick. But got it on the car. Got that, that one, and that one. So let that sit, let it cure, have some dinner, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Now that it's dry, I'm going to use some 60 grit, take off some of the top layer, and then with the DA on all the spots. And then after that, I'll hit it with the block, the rest of the spots. But just to start it off, I'm going to use the DA. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to catch you guys in the morning. It's the next day. I'm gonna prep the Ford Fusion and probably paint it today too. So enjoy the video and watch. All right, what I'm gonna do on the hood, fender, both fenders and hood, sand it down, wet sand it with 1000, and then the bumper is already primed, so I'm just gonna scuff it with a scuff pad and do the pleasure of taking it all apart again, taking out headlights, trim, grill, everything. I'm gonna paint everything off the car. I'm not gonna blend it. It's not the right way, but I'm just selling it. It's not for a customer or anything. I'm just selling the car, so it should match. It's not that old. I'm gonna color sand the rest of the car and buff it out too, so, and wax it, so everything should match. So, and I had them color match the car. They didn't go by paint code. They went by color matching, so it should match. So let's get to work. All right, I got the Fusion all apart. I got the hood prepped and everything like that. Got the fenders right here, getting prepped. And then I got the bumper out in the sun, drying. And there's the Ford, all apart. So now what I'm going to do is paint the inside black, since this is a white fender, and then I'm just going to paint this one black also, but I'm just going to use plain black, flat black, and then I'll edge it with the real paint, and then I'll do the same with this one. Just paint it with flat black, probably kind of in this area, and then the rest on the outer edge I'll do the original color of the car. But right here in the middle, this hexagon, or whatever you want to call it, I'll probably paint it with just flat black, because there is a liner that goes on the hood, felt liner, so you'll never see it. Got everything prepped, everything's hanging. Got the hood right there, passenger fender, driver's fender, not the M45 fender, and the bumper. So I'm gonna start spraying base coat right now. All right, everything's got base coat. Yeah, I know it looks a little blotchy, but it's still wet. The color will uniform. But everything's got base coat. So now I'm going to shoot the clear. Alright, there's the hood. Cleared, painted, and everything. It's a little orange peely, but a little hazy. I'll just color sand it and it'll look like glass. What do you expect for a garage job? And it's a little warm today, so. Bumper came out bitching though. Bumper came out nice. And the fenders. Fenders came out nice too. But I like the bumper. The bumper came out bitching. You can see the flake a little bit. Right there. But yeah, there it is. They're painted. I'll install them tomorrow. Alright, that's going to conclude this episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.